Does your fireplace look outdated and out of place? Stick with me, because I'll show you budget-friendly makeover ideas that can completely change the look of your living room without overspending. Welcome back. In this video, we're diving into fireplace makeover ideas on a budget. From quick cosmetic fixes to creative DIY upgrades, I'll walk you through how to refresh your fireplace and make it the true focal point of your home. Definition: a fireplace makeover is the process of updating the look and style of your fireplace using paint, materials, or decorative elements. It doesn't mean replacing the entire unit, but rather giving it a facelift with affordable design solutions. Why importance? The fireplace is often the centerpiece of a room. If it looks outdated, it can drag down your entire space. A makeover adds charm, warmth, and modern style without the huge expense of a full renovation. It's also a great way to increase the value and comfort of your home. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start by cleaning the fireplace surface and removing dust or soot. 2. Paint the brick or stone with heat-resistant paint for an instant modern look. 3. Add peel and stick tiles or faux stone panels for texture and style. 4. Update the mantle by painting, staining, or replacing it with a DIY wood beam. 5. Install a simple shiplap or wood paneling above the fireplace for added height and interest. 6. Accessorize with mirrors, artwork, or seasonal decor to tie the look together. Tools explained were brush and cleaner for prep, heat-resistant paint and rollers, level and measuring tape for trim or panels, utility knife for peel and stick tiles, drill and screws for mantle installation. Workflow: begin with cleaning and prepping the surface. Next, paint or add panels to update the base. Once that's done, move on to upgrading the mantle. After the main makeover, finish by adding wall treatments like shiplap or paint above the fireplace. Finally, style with decor pieces for a polished look. Quick tips: always use heat-resistant materials near the firebox. Dark paint colors can add drama, while lighter shades create an airy modern feel. Keep decor minimal so the fireplace remains the star of the room. If you rent, use temporary options like peel and stick tiles that can be removed later. Cost comparison: a professional fireplace remodel can easily cost several $1,000s. With DIY methods like paint, peel and stick tiles, or a new mantle, you can transform the look for under a few hundred. The savings are huge while still giving your fireplace a custom makeover. And that's how you can give your fireplace a stunning new look on a budget. Which of these ideas will you try first? Drop your favorite in the comments, subscribe for more budget-friendly home projects, and don't forget to share this video with a friend who's ready for a fireplace glow-up.